Digitalization is driving a clear change of the energy supply chain. IOENERGY was created to give different stakeholders a new open innovation framework to boost this change and to create new business opportunities.
IOENERGY is a project of collaboration between different companies from the energy supply chain and is promoted by the Basque energy cluster.
The Basque country has a significant number of leading companies in the energy sector, which helps drive and promote various successful collaborations.
In this project, we are going to join our strength to work together and to focus our strength in the capitalization data and in the data analysis.
It's an opportunity to bring together innovative companies that complement each other and join efforts to add new technological capabilities into our products and create new business models.
The main goals and scope of IOENERGY are to bring a component manufacturing and ITC service provider close together to develop more competitive market solutions, to extract value from the generated data, and of course to improve the position in the sector.
We have to consider and we have to focus in the supply chain that we have for renewable energy and especially for wind energy.
Saigor participates in IOENERGY project because we want to research and develop new knowledge about sensorization, communication, data analytics and cutting-edge technologies regarding failure prediction in solar inverters.
Ormathabal expects to develop a transversal solution for both wind and solar park operators, providing asset health information so that operators can then use this to prioritize maintenance resources and also prevent outages.
The main impact emerging from this collaboration is to create new business models based on high added value solutions that combine component design knowledge with digital platforms.
Is to gain knowledge that we will use to redesign our components to be more efficient and reliable, to be able to provide advanced services to our customers, and at the end, to be able to reduce the cost of energy.